Hello everyone, welcome to the new series called BGP. Let's get started. What is interdomain routing? So there are a few things you have to know about it. Autonomous system, interior routing protocol and exterior routing protocol. What are these? So autonomous system is nothing but it's a collection of network. Interior routing protocol is an IGP protocol which is runs inside an AS, whereas exterior gateway protocols runs between autonomous systems which enables uh, routing policies as well as security. In the left side you can see AS65000 that is running on OSPF. So that is a IGP protocol. On the right side you can see AS65001 that is running on the EHRP. These OSPF and EHRP which we will be calling it as a IGP protocol. So you can see the OSPF and EHRP, the connection media is BGP. So connecting these two autonomous system is BGP, that is the exterior gateway protocol. Goals for interdomain routing, so which runs between scalability, secure routing information exchange and support for routing policies. Scalability is nothing but right now we have a 6 lakh authenticated routes and it's still growing. And with respect to the secure routing, route from another AS cannot be trusted. That's the main thing you have to know about it. And so for that we need tight filters are required as well as authentication is desirable. So and for the supporting routing policy, routing between autonomous system might not always follow the optimum path which we are experiencing. So exterior routing protocols have to support for the wide range of customers. So that is the requirement. So for the BGP. So here we can see it with the example. So here we can see there are two companies, company A and company B, and one more company called company X. So if company A wants to communicate with company X, so what is the routing protocol which we are going to use? We can see it here. So if here we can see it with the example. So there are company A, company B and company X are there. So with different speed of links. So we have a one service provider as well. So let's get started and see how the things is going. So if company A wants to communicate to the company X, what is the best routing protocol which we'll use here? So we have a different varieties of link. So there are 2 Mbps links. So if you are using OSPF or EIGRP, it will always choose the best routing path with the highest bandwidth using the metrics. So it will flow via the company A to company B to a service provider, and then it will go to the company X. So all the traffics towards internet which will flow via company B. So this will create a bandwidth congestion in the company B. So to overcome this scenario, so we have to use BGP only. So how we can see it here? Let us suppose to see if you are creating access list in the company B may lead to dropping the packets which is coming from the internet packet from the company A. That may be like a black hole route. So the company B, if receives anything from the company A towards internet, it will block. So that one company A won't be able to understand. So so it's kind of black hole, so internet cannot be reached. So we can achieve this using BGP over AS path. So how are you using AS path at the BGP protocol? So the company, this is the flow. If company wants to reach to internet, it has to go to the service provider and it will reach company X. This is called internet, we can tell. So if anything between company A and B which will be happening between these links, this is a point to point link which we have already. So internet traffic will be happening between these two. Thank you, thanks for watching.